cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Abia kwenu, oe. Anambra kwenu, oe. Ebonyi kwenu, oe. Enugu kwenu, oe. Imo kwenu, oe. Nigeria kwezuono, oja. Hello, friends and families and loved ones. I welcome you once again to my Igbo segment. But before we go on, let me introduce myself, your host. My name is Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and tradition, including general issues that affect our lives in society. All right, and the other time we met on the same Let's Learn about the Igbo, their language, dialects, culture, and tradition. We discussed discussed diphthongs and vowels. Okay, I was able to give examples using diphthongs to give examples. I also used vowels to give examples. So I guess you are really studying. You're going through what we thought previously, what we learned previously. So it's very important. You should always reverse what we learned previously. It will help you. It will boost your ability to get to understand the Igbo language. All right, today we are going to talk about consonants, examples of words that are derived from consonants. Remember I told you the Igbo alphabets are 36 altogether. That's all of them. Then out of the 36, we have 28 consonants and 8 vowels. The 28 consonants include those ones that come in pair. Okay? So you don't count them 1-1. If it is gwe, be, chi, nye, mwe, kwe, these words come in pairs. They are counted 1-1-1. So altogether, including the ones that stay in singles, that come in singles. The ones that come in singles, all of them, when you count all of them, they will give you 36 altogether. Vowels, consonants, and diphthongs. Okay, today, before today, I was able, when I was doing my studies, I was able to select words from the Igbo alphabets. You know, the consonants. I selected the consonants and presented some examples using them, how they are used in words. Now we are going to look at those words. Okay. Now, the number one example is be. Then in be, we use bia, which means come in English. Bia means come in English. I use be to form bia, and bia means come in English. Then chi, I use it to form chioma. Chioma is the name of a person, you know, an Igbo indigene, okay, an Igbo native, especially the ladies bear chioma. Okay, the third one is de. We have something called dede. Dede is a name for people who are older enough to be, you know, okay, let me just put it straight. Dede is a title used for people who are older than we are. Then when you hear dede, it's used for males. Dada is used for females. Some places, some parts of Igbo land, you hear them called de or da. Da and dada are the same thing. De and dede are the same thing. Dede and de are used for the male, while dada and da are used for the females. Both of them all of them signify that the person being addressed in any of these is an elderly person or someone older than we are. Then the other one is fe. Then I formed what is called fe, then fe or fe. What it means is sprinkle. Then the other one is ge. Go means read in English. Read means go in Igbo. Be. Bubie means cut off. Bubie means cut off. Re, ro, rota. Pluck, maybe a mango, pawpaw, or any other fruits up. You use this word in Igbo. Ro or rota. Then I use this re to form it. And then gwe means guo, as you can see. Then you get dig. Guo means dig in English. Guo means dig in English, to dig out something out. Dig out something. Here I used he to do it, to get it. Then it means sleep. Oh, I omitted P here. Here means sleep. There's a letter P at the end of it. I omitted it. Then the other one is J. J, you use it to form juo. Then juo means ask in English. Juo means ask in English. Juo means ask in English. Then the other one is K. I use it to form K. K means divide. K means divide. You know what divide means? Okay, to share something. Then the other one is B. B means, then I use po. I carved it out from B. Then when you hear po, it means call. Then kwe means kuo. Kuo means speak. I got this kuo from kwe. Then when you hear what it means in English is speak. Then this le, I use it to form le. Then what le means in English is look. Then me, that is what me means in English is do. Then the other one, any, ne, nodo, which nodo means stay in English. Then ngo, I use nge to form ngo. Ngo means drink in English. Then ngwe, I use it to form mwa. Mwa means child in English. I use nye. Then I use nye to form nye. Nye means give in English. I use p to form po. Po means go out, get out. The other one is re. I use re to form rie. Rie means eat in English. I use the other one, si, to form sie. Sie means cook in English, to cook something to eat. Then the other one is shie. Just like where we talk about dialects. Some Igbo people call cook sie, which is the central Igbo. Some call it shie, which is also acceptable. Either of the two means cook something to eat. Then the other one is ta. Ta means today or this day in English. It can also be used. You can use it to. It can also mean shut up. Say ta. It means shut up. Probably the person is a child is misbehaving and an adult around tells him or her ta, which means shut up. Then the other one is v. V is vo. I use the v to form vo. Vo means spit. Okay, all right. Then the other one is we. We means were. Were means take in English. Were is Igbo. The meaning in English is take. Then the other one is ye. Then I use it to form yiri. What yiri means resemble, look like. That's what yiri means. Then the last but not the least is z. I use it to form zwo. What zwo means in English is buy, to buy something, to use your money to exchange for something. All right. As you can see, I was able to get words from consonants to give as examples. I use them to form words that, when you hear this is what it means in English. This is what it means. This is what the Igbo word means in English. So as we progress, as we go on, there are other things that will follow, which I will ensure that you know them, you will understand them. All I need is your concentration, your focus, and dedication. No language is difficult to understand if you know the basics, the foundations, the nitty-gritty. But it takes courage, time, commitment to know all those things, and committed to teaching you, to making sure that you understand. Then you should also be committed to learning, to asking questions, in areas you do not understand. So feel free to go to the comment section, leave your question or questions there. Once I see it or they, I will be able, once I see it or them, I will be able to deal with them. I assure you that. You really have to trust me. I'm your coach. Then, you know what coaches do? They teach, they lecture, they instruct, they educate. So that is what I am here. I'm here for you. So let's sing this before we cut off. A, B, C, D, F, E, G, E, G, E, G, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Z.